This is a really simple owl and it starts with the letter Y. I'm sketching it in pencil. You can put it in marker after. And so right under the two branches of the Y, we're going to put half circles or like the letter D on its belly. And on the bottom piece of the Y, we'll add a diamond for the nose. And you can put in your pupils and add a little highlight to them. But what really makes this the owl is the little horns going up on the sides where we sketch them in. I put the dot at the bottom of the beak just to find the middle of the head and then rounding up on the edges so it is symmetrical. All right. And then we want our owl in action, so I looked for the edge of the face to make the feet where he's just about coming down on the prey and angled them, and you can see I put that a little bit thicker. Again, I'm keeping it really short, but I would like you to go back in and add your own details as you see fit and maybe even color, which I did not put in here. So you can see I've really brought him to life with filling some things in, and now we're going to just add a little thickness over the top of the eyes and the tufts and create in the head. And you can see it's really like springing into action there. I'll connect, that's the little body, connecting the feet, and now our wings. So I've made my curves, and then there's a gentle curve, that's the top of the wing. And as we do the feathers, I'm trying to show that really that top feather very curved, and now coming down to the tail. So it comes out from the feet. I found the center area, and then just a little scallops. You could absolutely do it more complex, but I'm trying to keep this super simple for a journal entry. And now you get to have some fun adding the feathers coming down to the body. So I've shown where I'm going to go to the body. Just keeping it nice and loose, does not need to be perfect. We tend to think of the owl as a symbol of wisdom, but wisdom by itself doesn't change much. At some point, what we know has to become action. Ask yourself, what do you already know? What are you ready to act upon?